Hi everyone, I'm Amrita and welcome to my channel Fries and Shine. Here you will find evidence-based, no-nonsense, nutrition-related information. In today's video, we're going to discuss late night snacking or eating later in the evening. Now there's a very common misconception that this is bad for your health, but I'm here to tell you that this need not always be the case. So we'll first debunk this myth and then discuss cases in which eating later at night can actually serve your health. A lot of us have been snacking later or eating later at night, especially during the lockdown, either because we're bored and have nothing else to do, or simply because we've been awake later. The kitchen has become the new adventure zone. Let me give this straight to you. Eating for emotional reasons at night may impact your health simply because the quality and the quantity of the food you choose is very different than when you eat from hunger. Eating for hunger at night will not impact your health. Please remember, when your body is making you feel hungry, it means that it needs energy, whatever time of the day or night it is. First things first, food contains the same amount of energy no matter what time of the day you eat it. For example, let's take a banana. Whether you eat the banana at 11 am or 11 pm, its caloric content or the amount of energy in it doesn't change. Yes, the way that your body uses the energy from the banana may differ depending on what your body's needs are. And there is a common misconception that the body's energy needs are not very high at night, which is why when you eat food at night, it gets stored as fat. Please remember, for any kind of weight gain to occur or fat storage to occur, you have to be eating in excess of what your body's energy needs are. For example, if your body needs 2000 calories to function and you're only feeding it 1500 calories, you will still lose weight, whether or not those 1500 calories are coming all from desserts or from vegetables. How this will impact your health is a completely different topic. You will still lose weight though. Let's get back to the banana example. Say you eat a banana at night and this banana is still within the amount of energy that your body needs. Rest assured, it will be used for energy production and will not be stored as fat. What about the fact that your metabolism slows down after sunset? Does this really happen? While our hormones and brain are super sensitive to light, your body also responds to other changes in the environment. What this simply means is that if you eat continuously at night for a couple of days, your body will be able to efficiently use this energy from the food even at night. Think about places closer to the north and south poles which don't receive any sunlight for about 6 months and are in complete darkness. Do you think people living there constantly suffer from slow metabolism and health issues? Of course not. While sunlight is one factor that impacts your body clock, it is not the only one. Also, your body is very active at night. Processes like breathing, heartbeat, muscle repair, digestion, just the basic stuff that keeps you alive, uses about 70% of the energy that you eat through food throughout the day. So what does this mean? If you are awake at night and hungry, it generally means that your body needs that little excess energy. So it's absolutely fine and safe for you to be eating that midnight snack. There are some populations that actually benefit from eating a snack before they sleep. People with diabetes. Depending on their level of blood sugar control and the kind of medications they are on, they may be advised to take a snack before they sleep. And just like other individuals, for them too, it is more the quality and the quantity of the snack that determines how their bodies will react to it rather than the time at which they eat it. I had a client who was a gynecologist and he told me, "Look, Amrita, I'm going to be very honest with you. I'm awake at weird hours of the night and I eat crap from the fridge, so I really need you to give me options of what I can eat when I'm working late at night." And we actually worked these out and he did see better blood sugar control, irrespective of the fact that he was eating in the middle of the morning. Athletes or people who exercise. There are some people who exercise post sunset Do these people not need food for recovery once they're done working out? Also, athletes have very high energy requirements. It's not always possible that they get in everything they need before sunset. These guys quite often have a snack or a meal right before they sleep, and they seem to be in absolutely perfect health. Pregnant women also have very high energy needs, and with the various hormonal changes and side effects like vomiting that pregnancy can bring about, they may need to eat at random hours of the day. I have a friend and colleague who used to suffer from blood pressure fluctuations during her pregnancy, and she was actually advised by her doctor to wake herself up at 4 a.m. and eat either a banana or some other kind of salty food. And this was extremely beneficial for her health. Breastfeeding women. Energy needs are highest for this phase in life for any woman. Imagine you need to wake up at random hours of the night to feed your child. You may be waking up about 4 times in the middle of the night. If you've eaten your last meal at 9 pm and you are constantly going to be awake and doing work, it's very natural that you're going to get hungry. The quality and the quantity of the food that you eat here is way more important than the time at which you're eating it. All of this was a long way of saying that when your body is giving you the physical symptoms of hunger, you need to eat. It's that simple. Most of us associate nighttime eating with eating for non hunger reasons, like when we're just enjoying a movie on TV or eating a dessert, again, just because we enjoy it. This too is absolutely okay as long as you don't eat like this too often. To sum things up, it is normal to eat when your body is asking you for food, whatever time of the day or night it is. The quality of the food that you eat and the quantity which you eat it in will of course vary from person to person, but it is extremely important that you address this hunger and that you eat. Sleeping on an empty stomach can actually disrupt your sleep as well as the recovery processes of your body. And you will note that if your body is asking for a snack before you sleep and you feed it, it will promote good sleep, good health, and weight management. So the next time you need a snack late at night, eat it stress and guilt free, and depending on the quality of the food that you're eating and the quantity in which you're eating it, plan it a couple of hours before you sleep so that it does not cause your stomach any discomfort. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel and share this video with other people you think may find it helpful. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comments below. We'll be making many more such informational videos, so do look out on this channel. See you very soon. Until then, take care and keep shining.